My friends, foolish born-again Christians who are believers and not thinkers.
Yeah, Zoe once again. You know, when you're young, you believe everything, but when you grow, you need to question them. These are some questions, very relevant. Don't be offended. Better music. All right, tie. Many so time me who we are seeing no. And I used to be bad, maybe Sanibia na wengo. Fise free tete, a Christopher Jesus is coming soon 20 years ago. And so still I won't do. Common sense in your maintain answer that why you garden of feeding, on your coupon said we are the wembu. Yeah. To be on the map on summer went to. We was a bon summer, me bonia me kujebo. When you blasphemy, but me who say it make sense. On the ball me, or mama journey for self defense. When I go bob on some many paya bonia, I then I won't couldn't inferior to avoid more offense. But when kumun sam no koneba. Before then, we be kuhumu binkeka. Or not this room for when mene aquanantena. Na jana jatiasa so na jebesha manager konya. Hey, who be the enemy? Samoka sebon samoa a Sunday so funny. O Christonia unido, munyame sumponi. Na mobon paye tututu, na bruni make more money. And pabon save your economy, so shut up. Use the common sense. Yeah, you might boy woman nenya with daily bread, not two way japa dear who fence. O kwa so you, one co, body nana church. Utu yasika de months of war, na yirina wikesh. Unyanko pong, we need bank account. Nyame some pani so bebeka krako winyanka. Utu yawo tight, to yawo dues, $1 pounds. And so make us say you be pound sorry akodim pampa. With all due respect, ya marry asame sunya meal. Unyanko pong boy say, ya mesume ya ho. Eti we a lawyer near, we a doctor near, we a teacher near, dino kure and one no. CSF Abraham de Moshe. Nana yeton kante man ka Ghana antiti say religion ti kamia ye senyansa nya adwuma biemu. Yato yankocha na twe na kofa broni die no. Wuhia bibeni a ye frɛ wo sen, o se frɛ me Frederick. And so be who broni bia ye frɛ no Kofi Konto. Ya yara identity. So who gonna be called the brethren? Broni se ne kete that's why bibeni mbobo. Adwene ne ho abode ne bre. Obi ene ho a wotwe abebe ye sika da ho a wonpe. Wa broni ka pra ye de to ahwe de. Enti Africa, yanto ye ne meye be ye mobo. Ye frɛ me Zoe nwom ne ye me bomo kokko.
Mr. Benchi on the beat.
Nyankopon fahin no meka se me yi nsem ni nyina no a me 3 minutes no me nya enso
we should have mentioned 1 second
me da say but they say that me can say they di kan what kasafa nima ho e de fa nyamesoma ye so no nima na de be da nyamesom na ayama ye because e my development bia wo nima ye hia development ye de say ye kra na ye de be som nyame no okay se ekoma ye dan kwam na se ya nya wiase no kra ye pe de di kan nyankopon fahin no meka se me yi nsem ni nyina no a me 3 minutes no me nya enso
we should have mentioned 1 second
me da say but they say that me can say de di kan what kasafa nima ho e de fa nyamesom a ye so no nima na de be da nyamesom na ayama ye because my development bia wo nima ye hia development ye de say ye kra na ye de be som nyame no okay se ekoma ye dan kwam na se ya nya wiase no kra ye pe de di kan no de to so mi
etiefuo we dey ma shock prize mo. This is a surprise. Good afternoon. Mpacho oba no wa video no so na ye be ya 10 na yako. Membe chewa ha. Me pacho wo video no so na tag ye shakes no UTI dawa Sheikh Hafiz. Ewia we me be trauma de kakra me pese yesia de. Omo no mo se ye nim Quran no. Enti omo no mo nim. Modern day shakes. Ya be kire ya adwen. Me ba cho be 5 days in na Abraham Ben Moshe e posti verse e woni page eye Quran 67 chapter 5 verse 5 e talking about shooting stars. Allah say wa adorn the nearest heaven with lamps bia adane missiles yedi kumbonsam no kra ni muni ya twen answer mba na bem se endra enda ya bra UTI dawa e kire se onim Quran mu ampa nti obema ye answer no nti I think se endra UTI dawa e the reply of the verse by and ye bra skeptic Jagbani e download the video neja wa edit na my kakra nti ye wa ha ye be analyze UTI da wa reply no the bandra no eno anti na me wa ha wi a nti mpa cha oba na wa wo so na wa tag nkremofo ni nyina no maba na ya hwa ade nti mebo UTI da wa video no nchirechiremu a ode baaye the Islam scholars nankasa ka fa verse na ho ye wi a na afede ya kyerɛkyerɛ na ya hwɛ sɛ Abraham be Moshe na ebo o sɛ UTI da wa na embarrassment nti ono apese osesa ala enum asem de a na etoje omo a nti me nche bia me pacho me di UTI da wa ba screen no so video we Yaya Brass Skeptic Jagbani
another verse Abraham opposite on the page ana ye transcend ko ba be ya no so wo suro nti wentuma mamba ka asem no but it prompts us to respond to this verse. Quran 67 verse number 5. Here, Quran no, it is not your size. Say uninim dia, it is not your size. It is beyond your imagination.
Yate Quran e enye your size. Abraham ohoy Quran yi enye ne size. Livestone GH Quran enye me size. O de yem fa no nto nchan because so far me ntro book po 50 pages. Na nsema kotro Quran. Abraham intro book 100 pages for yet. No wakotro Quran nti anya ya size. Ya gi atum. Da sam na say bibi wo ma ya so ye pemu nchiremu. Nti onye anya ya size na de no mfa ho. Ye nkwai.
Yeah, ye respond to ye hunehuna wimpo no. Ye nkwala wo, ye nsua hwe. Ye nkwala empo ne ye hunehuna wo no.
Na malam unsua hwe na aba be yi verse ano. Malam we akwala unsia hwe ena wo ba be yi verse ano malam ye nkwai
se bibi Quran say walaqad zayyana as-samaa ad-dunya bimasabiha
walaqad zayyana as-samaa ad-dunya bimasabih waja'alnaha rujuman lishayatin waja'alnaha rujum
me bacho video no Skeptic Jagbani na ye for emefa se Quran no kan no krawuti muntie video ni ye Quran na onu se onu Ghana ni na wadane na ho by force Arabian se nyankopon na wo som no age wako ka obi krom kasa ansa na nyankopon na ate wone no onu Ghana ni na wadane na ho by force Arabian no Quran no kra all kind woti nti yama correct Arabian kasa esan kan Arabic no ewechiri nti oka na Arabian also can ya hwede all kind Quran no and nti na video na ya mess kakra nti mo mpacho mo hwe ne sa na monte ase ya why nti montie no
waja'alnaha rujuman lishayatin waja'alnaha rujuman lishayatin
wa ya say dia meti wo ho no yesi ne shayatin Sheikh Bonde UTI da wase le shayatini odini dia ba be so mementi Arabic say ye nio say ye che say eye ino say ye nio minim but yam we put the enam fa me ho omo no omo say no omo call Arabic kasa nti wo de ye nto aso
juman li shayatini وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير
and we have that is from old adorned the lowest heaven with lamps, and we have made such lamps, missiles to drive away the evil ones, and have prepared for them the penalty of the blazing fire.
Me das UTI dawa me pese me show verse no what you say be ya verse ni me pese me show verse no ye ba to a video no so ba pese me show verse no verse when Abraham be Moshe posted on the page Quran chapter 67 verse 5 Allah said we have adorned the lower heaven with lanterns we impose lanterns right and made them missiles against the devil and we have prepared for them the punishment of the blaze. My translation am use no a simple until me person me maintain no a. Until Allah say nearest heaven na your lowest heaven no why then or the miss or the lanterns be adorn ho meaning or the lanterns be a lanterns no act as missiles against the devils. So what you say where a simple verse Abraham the Moshe the betu ho. And no na ye penchire mu say yes remo yentiase ni say a shooting stars no say ye den yo e ye den lantern inti shake for na mu ni made no mo be chire mu nkyere en say e den na la e ka Quran 67:5 a shooting stars ana say e ye lantern bi ana bibi a ye nim what you say e dey afa ni si ye nim inti question na ye bisa inti lantern si e wa he na ye bisa say a shooting stars ana say e ye den mu be chire Eho ena malam UTI dawa ebe ma yes.
Use the word lamps.
Is Allah's way of saying Allah put lamps, hung lamps, all over the first sky.
Lamps. Now, lamps here, they don't have to refer to stars.
What it? Sheikh UTI dawa say the lamps there don't have to refer to stars. Not just a lamps na verse na ekano and the stars in Nikaka. Me pacho yentie original Sheikh no ye wo no ewo oman na religion na kase free mu pie ye no yentie de ono so kase lamps na eye stars ana say nya stars yentie.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
Me pacho ono so say that lamps refer to the stars, right?
Lamps. Now, lamps here, they don't have to refer to stars.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
It's between Sheikh way any your local Sheikh UTI dawa says here you have two contradictions. Way Epatre and said the lamps in the verse refers to the stars. Sheikh UTI dawa said the lamps does not refer to the stars. This is Islam. This is the religion they are so forcing people to come and be part of. This is God's chosen religion above every other religion. Because apart from Islam, no, God does not recognize any religion. And then Allah need the book about ye church book nim. Now even between two scholars cry Confucius. Na me ami ya ibeni ami free voter region. Ami nim abede ewo Arabic mu. Me de hu. Se sia between this Sheikh mami ko echire kakra. Between Sheikh UTI dawa anyway. Omu mienu no hwan na eka no kre.
Lamps. Now, lamps here, they don't have to refer to stars.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
Thank you.
It does not mean stars.
Because we decorated the first sky, the lowest sky.
When so yeah, Numan Ali Khan, or no so a Pakistani American, or no so or no so a Sheikh or Church Quran, what you say, or no so man in Chemu concerning the same verse. Yentie the or no so kind.
Sky with stars. وَزَيَّنَا السَّمَاءَ الدُّنْيَا بِمَصَابِيحِ. We decorated the first sky, the lowest sky, with stars. With stars. With stars.
But also mate, Ali Khan also say with stars. With stars. Yebra, Sheikh, UTI dawa say it is not stars. Punchline nanka say ba bon train. UTI dawa on say nkemofo no amon kano crack. The reason the mere fact say ye mu be jai omu videos here because the only thing they know to do is to threaten. In Kremofo any idea your friend or dialogue, peaceful dialogue, intellectual battle in Kremofo me. It is how UTI that was say the only thing that he can resort to is insult and threaten. And amoya yebaba bomo and amoya moya nkwasiafo. That is the only thing he can do to refer to actually defend the religion. Because every time the same way say in every religion, you know, there were three aspects of every religion. There were extremists, there were apologetic, and there were fundamentalists. Extremists ni your omwa, yamfa say Boko Haram, ISIS, Al-Qaeda fono, omo extremists in the religion. Umpo religion na wasa ujitum, umpo religion na wasa ujitum, yabe kumo, yabe for someone no the religion na tum. Those are the extremists. It's in Christianity. Now yaba apologetics. Apologetics ni your omo religion, no. Omo in a way, not in a good way, just to defend the religion against lies. It is no apologetic. Le jumo ayane say. Asem na wo kan akere no nim say eya no kureo. But they be onye of the lies na ba be catch or say they be asem na wo kan enye sa not into your no dem tro That is the work of an apologetic. Or no dem draw eba be defend religion no yehu bi. Abraham be Moshe ne Misata and the wada Owusu Bempa boy. The same thing happened or apologetic. No credit that ho on jintum. Not them throw defend religion. And you are fundamentalist. Fundamentalist your mom mabeka trust religion no and yes sanity or mu kra or mu preaching religion no or mu preaching ye and a Boko Haram for kromo nyade and a religion a peaceful religion obeka ho Allah bishra fundamentalist your mom be kro na apologetic for ni twantro na extremist for ni kunipa ebohu ama waka religion no. These are the three aspects of religion. UTI dawa or an apologetic, a fundamentalist. UTI dawa to me a fundamentalist. UTI dawa apologetic. As an extremist, because yes, a banasi yen threaten no be because of the religion now. Trust me, UTI dawa ye number one. Your videos will remember and the Quran 67:5 into Namebaha. It's yantua video no so kakrani and cardia.
They can just refer to energy sources creating the
me pacho or say verse no would refer to energy sources that is creating the light. Is that what the Quranic verse says? Is it talking about stars or energy sources for the stars? UTI dawa me pacho montagium no mumbe suade e simple.
Light, the energy sources creating the light, in which this case refers to quasars and energy.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
Lamps refers to the stars. UTI dawa say it refers to the energy sources. Well, what did you be quasars? Or say that means energy source, not the stars. Sheikh can also insist still say stars. Between two sheikhs, who do we believe? That is up to you, the religious people, to decide. Me, as a common sense man, I know none of these people can be trusted. I read what is in a book and try to understand it. I simple.
Quasars and
Stars.
Yeah, responded to a impono. Now, we are the ones that understands the Quran, and we have studied the Quran in Quran. We know it inside out. Mama Moshe. And what's now na what you say? We are the ones that understands the Quran, and we have studied the Quran in Quran. We know it inside out. Mama, responded to a we are the ones that understands the Quran, and
he is the one that understands the Quran at a point in time. Or say Quran I say another point in time no so yakola onsuanhwe walking contradictions me wie no ba montage afis Buhari mame ono so be di ne die wie ya o kina debate wo ho ba me kire no mistakes bi na we make sure say one be share Abraham with those mistakes yes sir o kina Happy FM ebe ye say yi no nti montage afis Buhari UTI da wa ko ono so be ne die sesi a Hafiz UTI to asoma.
We have studied the Quran in Quran, we know it inside out. Studied the Quran in Quran, we know it inside out. Abdullah ibn Abbas.
Me pa cho enti video we edru so no e video hu hia me papa me pese obi etie UTI dawa eba ede ne nse eba to scholar bi so scholar your friend Ibn Abbas. Ibn Abbas no according to hadith Okomsheni Muhammad bompa ye man se ono no Allah ankase manu Quran mu nimde na onfa nkyerɛkyerɛ Quran no nti Ibn Abbas nkyerɛkyerɛ mu de ye hu ne se a direct source from Allah me pato UTI da wankasa ba be siso muma ye ntie no ye wia ye behwe Quran 67 verse 5 de Ibn Abbas kan ye ene de UTI da wan so ayeden eka yanko
Allah anhu oye a paternal cousin of the prophet komshenini cousin a chere Quran na say la ilaha illallah na common sense ni wa dream to me nchira wo say we need na no Quran
UTI dawa
ofa afi Ibn Abbas radiyallahu ta'ala anhu the explanation of every verse is acceptable by the prophet and Allah Azza wa Jalla adintra enkomsheni na bom pa ya ma no hwe wan na kire Ibn Abbas ade Allah na usane Quran kire Ibn Abbas Quran ase na
eye yuti da wase hwan na kire Ibn Abbas ade eye Allah no usane Quran no no na kire Ibn Abbas Quran no na kire sanka Ibn Abbas kire Quran mu a hwan na wu yuti da wa esi wo ba be kire mu se enye saa na tie sese wo yuti da wa nkasa no wa contradict Ibn Abbas o adentia yehwe Ibn Abbas explanation of the man for Quran 67 verse 5 Quran 67:5 Ibn Abbas explanation or say, and verily we have beautified the world's heaven, the first heaven with lamps. Once the lamps no cry into bracket. So all kind Arabic text now into brackets we or what and nature say into bracket and shada nya word no tie into bracket no on nature say and no cry shada nya word no a assumption a scholar na try say or the explanation we be sheho iti with the stars uti da one patrol wo say enya stars Ibn Abbas na Allah cheche ni Quran no so confirm ya chen say eye stars me patrol UTI da wa one Ibn Abbas who is right. This is Quran chapter 67 verse 5. Ibn Abbas say, and verily we have beautified the world's heaven, the first heaven into bracket with lamps, with stars, and we have made them, that is stars. We have made the stars. That is I.e. nature said that is. We have made the stars missiles for the devil, such that some of them become bewitched, some are killed, while others are bent. Nature say a yampase stars na wasoro hono. Allah e de aye missiles. Or the pam bonsam. Ebi mu ye tubo mu anoma e bewitched. Ebi mu ye tubo mu ana ahye omo. Ebi mu so ye tubo mu anoma ewu. Eminti ana Allah at the stars na to ho. Intimi pacho Quran 67 verse 5. Is it talking about stars or talking about a light source of lamp? Munya no kwafo. Mun adiamu ya mu di deceive mu followers enini. One said the power CSF ye wanna say ye ba. Ye de ba be trewo ye the Quran verse no. You tia da wa ye video we nyina no. Wait me post verse. With me and post the explanation or the nano and a video no. Me we almost call ankasa Ibn Abbas na Allah ishra no. Min chire muni. And no nkwapo na chire mu. Ba ku be a friend Ajenalen. Yep, mpacho yen hwe Ajenalen nso asem okan ye. Ajenalen nso e chire mu differently. Yes, odini or say. And verily we have adorned the lowest heaven, the one closer to the earth. Not just a heaven na ben earth no. With lamps. And nobody one fancy bracket, but or the comaba and or the air with stars and made them missiles against the devil. Should they attempt to listen by stealth? Ajenale nipo ko feather notch, not just a big time here. Say Allah ene above one bon koma. Eyana devils no abon sam for na yom peso mutie. What I say, eyom peso mutie conversation na ekoso osoro. Inti Allah the stars na aye missiles. Guarding the heavens, say be ya omuntimi ntie nkomo no. Nti ompeso mutie pe na la eshutu baako. Po! Ompeso mutie pe na la to star baako na be hye omu po. This is the explanation of Ajenalen. Bra yutia da wa say the lamps over there does not refer to stars. Yutia Dawa is the only shaker so far waba out abe catch and say stars. Against two live modern sheikhs and against two olden scholars of the Quran. Omu no say stars, UTI dawa say stars. This is the deception of these religious people. What I say, it's media si ho, UTI dawa be pacho uhwe video na say video fufuro na ma different explanation. Na ye stars. Ye stars na Allah e de aye missiles no e no to bobo nsam. Thank you for making us number one. Thank Avram Be Moshe at your birthday. Intina maji we do me ya me ye. Facha me. UTI dawa you feel the heat. Now, me pese ye call another deceptor. So, eye Malam Sheikh Hafiz Buhari. Ma dealing with Hafiz Buhari on social media, especially on Facebook, in the live videos. Hafiz Buhari in Kano kre. Hafiz Buhari ne de ne se oba be kan Quran asem no de ono ne logic a explain Quran na kire no de adada wo be kom no na nya sa na explanation ne party me hu one ho sa mabre na Hafiz ko Happy FM program no so no o kan se bebre enya nti na de me ba ha se to edi kan ye bi me ba have to correct every Muslim say onti asema Hafiz Buhari kan ye so mu jitum say Hafiz Buhari yo mu sheik a mu jinitum so no akwa debate Abraham edi fitina okoka asem bi o Happy FM o contradict ne ho because me free program no iti Hafiz Buhari ye den e contradict ne ho e wo Happy FM iti me ba be bo Hafiz Buhari ni video a o contradict ne ho na ya hwese nkremofo nanso omoka no kra na so omonka me pacho yeti Hafiz Buhari o ka asem bi we ye tama program ne shase e kra program ne shase no Hafiz Buhari make this statement yentie
language this way say one share original na e be ye den so betuma interpret on books no na wo Abraham alif mpo wunim campus ba alphabet mpo wunim ana wo no wako kan English
mo alphabet na say na tie
okay ti ya Arabic alphabet ya alif ba ta sa jim ha sa up to ya eti when na wo be shia we the basics mpo Abraham onim ayana
me ba cho yensen tie bi o mo
sa language this way say one share original na e be ye den so betuma interpret on books no na wo Abraham alif mpo wunim campus
ba cho mote ma membre mu kakra sheik we pa kire yen say Abraham no alif po onim hwe about Arabic alphabet video mo ka say Abraham does not qualify to even teach the Quran. Abraham ontimi ncheche Quran mu bibia. What is the reason? Because sheik we believe say Abraham nti Arabic. Onti Arabic nti ontimi ncheche Quran nim. Matias ye. Oka ni say wie ye no na asem ye de. When the ending of the program calling segment or therefore your life stone GH na me friend am bisa sheik say sheik Woni Christians e debate all the time. Na mi bisa say sheik na so uti Hebrew and Greek asa na uchirechire Bible no mana. Mi bisa asem we ye no. Munti asem a sheik. E ka kire me. Munti e sheik asem o ka kire me.
Ablater ka say yen say Abraham enti Quran e Arabica ontumi enche Quran ase. Na yen enti Hebrew yetumi kire Bible. On say de tell say me kotu Bible. Me minti Hebrew. Me use English any tree and very because I am basing my understanding on the translation. But a wo Christian no a wo no uji Bible no edi no a wo ahia no na me quote bi ma quote no there be translator no e translate ni say but original language no say na tie
they say
me ba do mutie where Hafiz so Hafiz ma membo o de membo first video no muntie Hafiz wa hasi muntie Hafiz muntie and the show no ebeye de pa munim Hafiz kwa nka mo tag ne ma
alphabet no po wunim ana
muntie
Greek sa language this way say one share original na ebeye den so betuma interpret on books no
correct
na wo Abraham alif mpo wunim
thank you
campus ba alphabet no po wunim ana wo no wako kan English
mo alphabet na say na tie
okay, your Arabic alphabet, your alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, sa, up to ya. Eti when I obeshia, where the basics.
Enya semwa, anka nyankopon, osi nyankopon bi abo. Nyankopon no obo no, onimo, eno oma mamprusi ni bi wo. Nyankopon no obo no, onimo, eno oma nkran ni bi wo. Nyankopon no obo no, onimo, eno oma ayigbeni bi ewo na asantini bi wo afede nyankopon ne se me ma wo homa a ode ba bebo bra na wetimi abobra ni de we a me nyankopon no mepe homa na nyankopon ne de ma wa bebo bra no ade ode kohye obi kasa no wonte da kasa no pom ben because eye over 100,000 of miles away from you. Won't sakasa no nyankopon no se bra na besome na mede hume bia to ho ba be so de asome no ade nyankopon ne kasa wukrom kasa ne de ebon me mempe Mintimi fa ukrom kasa na enkyerɛkyerɛw me masem nti agye nyankopɔn ni to kwan kɔ Arabia no de nasem kɔto Arabia na woman prusini dagatini aigbeni fantini asantini nkraini wako Arabia no wako akosua Arab fo kasa ansa na wate nyankopɔn asem na ɔde brɛ wo no wei wo dwen ho sɛn Mentiasio. Mentiasie. Mi aibeni. Ena nkrofo we omunka nokre. Ma menkyem ade o hwe. Ye kokura na nkasem kra na. Memma Allah no benefit of the doubt. Because Allah ka asem bi okura mu meba. Ye hwe asem ya Allah kan yi se. Wo ye nipa na wonje asem wentumu a. Na kire se osu duebu. Mpacho Allah kan asem bi okura chapter 14. Quran 14, verse number 4. Allah ka sembi waha. Me pacho munti Allah numasem. Allah said, we never sent any messenger except in the language of his people to make things clear for them. Tio, Allah say, we never sent Allah so ntiminka I. Quran Allah no. Quran nyame no ye baako. Ontimi nka I okapom se majestic we Matthias here we a majestic we Allah no ya majestic we ne say we never sent any messenger except in the language of his people to make things clear for them. Me pacho magiatum mi aibeni mi share messenger Allah soma no kan igbe oye fantini mi bisa se we share messenger Allah soma no ka fanti ana. But Allah ne say ne kasa na odi churo book no e Arabic. Iti ubeti Allah say aje woko na
basis ni po Abraham onim. Aya na
iti muba yentie shake biom. Yentie shake asema
Greek. Sa languages we say one share original na e be ye den so betima interpret books no. Na wo Abraham alif mpo wonim. Campesa ba alphabet no po wunim. Ana wo no wako kan English.
Mo alphabet na say na tie.
Okay, your Arabic alphabet. Your alif, ba, ta, sa, jim, ha, sa up to ya. Eti when
the okay kano. Bisana kwa we say ni krom kasa alphabet ne won pronounce ma onim. Ni krom kasa alphabet ontimi pronounce ni krom kasa alphabet. But onim alif ba ta sa mi sa akosi ya Arab alphabet ni de wonim enu kwanya no kranti na meba ha o de yentie video no
na obesua we the basics ni mpo Abraham onim aya na Greek
iti automatically no Sheikh Hafiz ka kire yen wa ha say before Abraham betimi a kire Quran no agi onim Arabic alphabet na odi kan bo so no ba ta sa akosi ya no Ade Abraham enim sa alphabets no ansa no wetimi a kire na che say automatically no unless Abraham te Arabic ansa no betimi a kire Quran nim ma based on translation emfa kire Quran nim wey na some minutes later me friend na me bisa wo say Sheikh wo debate a Christopher anya bia wuti Hebrew me pastor Sheikh answer ode ma ni yen deji to conversation and yen say why na ya nokwafo yen tie Sheikh
ya na mum de
yes no unse boy ablantare ka say yen say Abraham enti Quran Arabica ontumi enche Quran ase
me ba cho one na ukan video ashase say Abraham onim alif ba sa ta sa akosi ya oye den kire Quran ase wakan nye se me na me say asema wo kan o video num na me frɛ na me see so say wo say enye se me na me be ka so say o kan asem na hye me asem na me be kan but nya me na me be kan ye wo na wo say Abraham nim Arabic alphabet o den kire Quran nim na me frɛ na bisa o say anye bia no wo so uti Hebrew ansa na wo kire Bible mu ana Sheikh wo yi ano say
na yen Hebrew an yetumi kire Bible on say de tell say me kotu Bible me minti Hebrew me use English any tree and me
Excellent. Menti Arabic. Eninti na minya wo scholars me de mobile hase ya mo hwe on sa Quran site we me pese me kire mo ade ki tuo bi wa ha menti Arabic menti Arabic inti na mo ankasa mo scholars mo hwe ade mo hwe Quran English translation no eje nipa ba ko ye wo Ahmed Ali ye wo Ahmed Razak Khan ye wo Abri ye wo Community Allah Community God ye wo Dayabadi ye wo Halik and Khan Yawa Itani God, Itani Allah, Yawa Ketbab, Yawa Maududi. Some of most scholars no and translate the Yesu ye cano
because I am basing my understanding on the translation. But a wo Christonino, I won't uji Bible no edino. I will share no me quote me man quote yours there be translator no e translating say.
Itino. Eye wu kremoni shake no wu na o se wusian Arabic na me be quote translation na wo so aba be ka kire me say eye say eni kwan se wo ka kire me say me nti Arabic nti mini kwan se me kire Quran Hafiz won se o so use logic but video we keke me share na me the video we pe bai o kan se be bre wo Happy FM me ka se me koso a ebe ye o se wan hwa no chena bullshit me pese e be shake too much. But made the logic na can't say we can catch us say aje pastor no nko sua Hebrew na we were use the English translation of the Bible and they are challenging there and the who now be kwa sua Arabic na me use the English translation of the Quran and they attack every there ko me think kremoni bi okase and you don't understand Arabic. Why are you explaining the Quran? Now refer me to video we. Where mu shake, mu jinidi, mu bonse mama no. The entire the ochina debate you cry CSF yan shada anya hu dede no. Because Hafiz Buhari onye match. Oh, Hafiz Buhari o sanke ejani mo bi to say bia. Kwa 44 mo. Hafiz Buhari meme ontimi debate me. Hafiz Buhari oti ontimi debate me. And say Abraham, but akoba ne sa ye pese nyansa show no ye eso ye de. Inti ya ji debate na tum. Ti na bo su konke ya ma ne kwa ma ne nko. Because won soon Abraham baby akwako entro ya wute we na de kwako face Abraham entro we nti me ba cho nkremofo no mu aha mu ntie mu shake ne pese o ka asem bi ma me biem goyi na mu ntie mu shake no ne friend de mama me kan say you don't understand Arabic mu ntie mu shake no shake kasa ne yango
no unse boy na ablantare ka say ye say Abraham enti Quran Arabica ontumi enche Quran ase na yen Hebrew yetumi kire Bible won say de tell say se me kotu Bible me nti Hebrew me use English any tree and me because I am basing my understanding on the translation but a wo Christoni no a wo no uji Bible no edi no a wo ahia no na me kotu bi man kotu yours there be translator no e translating say but original language no say that here.
The same thing Abraham, yeah, and I'm the original.
Yes,
Eti shake. Yeah, that's it. This is according to Hafiz Buhari. A Christopher no medium who ya be more the times because a Christopher anya ready. So mo be sua Quran. Atenia me biase and so no makwa koshia nkremofo debate. Into omudura na nkremofo na for mo Bible no the logic areomo. Ba sanke Christopher nso aye willing. So mo be sua Quran na de ene nkremofo na fe so a anka mo bo say ye ka asem bi. Ma me koti Abraham be Moshe. If the Bible is false, Islam is false. If the Bible is even true, Islam is still false. They can't say me repetibium. Say Bible no, say yanokra, Islam a yantro. Even say Bible no false, they are not say Islam kra they bombo kwata. That is the truth. But because a Christopher pastors no, they don't want to learn anything outside their Bible. Into munsia Quran no, obetia ne say a Christian pastor no asare no ako face shake bi no the topic about the tour is Jesus God. What you say? Sanka pastor sua Quran and ko say Quran no kra praise Jesus. Esi Muhammad. Quran no kra praise Jesus. Emma Jesus and one day be bro ya send the actual Bible mu ba pastor no onsua it your kwa na nkremofo no de aya na famfram na so melusu but yen no ye ngina baby yesua Bible no e de yesua Quran no so it wo ba baby o de ye be si bia ya no be face. That is the power of common sense family. We use your own book to disprove your religion. Asa, we don't have any two common sense. Adi why argue? Ni a kaimu book no near the askatamo. It's shape. Yada say. A Christopher shake semen country mo say. Munko suya Hebrew. And some money na baby a debate because of no use translation. But me nko suya translation fa nko face shake. Adi mi ko suya Arabic. Afis worry, this is your own logic. Me the amount. Normally, mun himself me po me nye videos. E wo twi musa, but we are me shada na me bae. Iti mun prepare for debate no. Sa entron kitinkiti we am twtwei. O the bad debate ya ba yo from. Mun prepare. Iti we we eno anti na me bae. Ye do bibia ase, mo amoba join ne ye nyina no. Ya da mo ase. Minim sa na mo expect Abraham oni ho. Small boy, me anamaba. Timon Fanesa, it's Timon catching cremophone, but answer the Abecono. Yentie, Malam Bacoa, Malam we or Wasem be park at Remo. Malam we was sem the dead be of person the mamma, Pacho Moon.
Yankopon fine or because me in 7 no, me 3 minutes no, minya and so.
We should mention 1 second.
Me that's it. But they say the make can say, they decline. What Casafa Nima home? I define Yamisuma Yasumo Nima. Na debe na nyamesom na ayamaye because a my development be our nima yen here development ye de say yen kra ye kra na ye de be som nyame no se ekomaye dan kwam na say ya nya wiase no kra ye pe de di kan no
me pa cho de malam ne kan no yen challenge no de o kan na eyasem no kre omo kra na omo de be som nyame no aje enupe ene hiomo omo hia development go nima malam ne so mu hia development bia onima na emomo mo besom nyame eni ntu ko nima every 50 meters bia obe nanti bia obe sia masalachi but edwuma ni ho a mebu no ne ye iti omo ko asore dem sa no mepie asore no mepie nti hia development check malam ya da say the answer ne ebe san ko no me ba cho mo ma yensentie Yenhwe skeptic Jagbani video no kakra na no so interesting. Why are there? Yenhwe Sheikh UTI Dawa on show.
Another verse Abraham opposite on the page na ye transcend ko ba be ya no so wo suro nti wentuma mamba ka asem no but it prompts us to respond to this verse. Quran 67 verse number 5 here. Quran no it is not your size. Say uninim dia it is not your size. It is beyond your imagination. Yeah, respond to what you wimpo no. Yeah, nkwala wo, yensua hwe. Nkwala empo ne hunu. Na tse bibi. Quran say walakad zayyana as-samaa ad-dunya bimasabiha
walaqad zayyana as-samaa ad-dunya bimasabih وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين
وجعلناها رجوما للشياطين
رجوما للشياطين
للشياطين
رجوما للشياطين
للشياطين
وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير
وأعتدنا لهم عذاب السعير and we have that is from old adorned the lowest heaven with lamps and we have made such lamps missiles to drive away the evil ones and have prepared for them the penalty of the blazing fire. The Quran verse used the word lamps.
This is Allah's way of saying Allah put hung lamps all over the first sky.
Lamps. Now, lamps here, they don't have to refer to stars.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
Lamps. Now, lamps here, they don't have to refer to stars.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
It does not mean stars.
We decorated the first sky, the lowest sky, with stars. We decorated the first sky, the lowest sky, with stars. With stars. With stars.
They can just refer to energy sources. creating the light, the energy sources creating the light, in which this case, refers to quasars and energy.
Lamps here refers to the stars.
Quasars and
stars.
Yeah, responded to a impono. Yeah, kwalao, yensuya he. A young kwala, empony no. Not say now, unsuya de kakra. What I say? We are the ones that understands the Quran, and we have studied the Quran in Quran, no? Understands the Quran, and we have studied the Quran in Quran, no? We know say La ilaha illallah. Na common sense ni what drink to mention say we need no Quran.
UTI dawa.
Afi Ibn Abbas radiallahu ta'ala anhu, the explanation of every verse is acceptable by the Prophet and Allah Azza wa Jalla. Adintira and commissioning a bomb payamano. Where one lecture Ibn Abbas ade Allah na usane Quran lecture Ibn Abbas Quran ase na
What a new way to cool off and quench your thirst. And now everyone is enjoying the surprising experience of Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Hi. Join the refreshing experience and enjoy the all-new Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Paradise Pack treated drinking water. Drink pure, live more.